All right, folks, I didn't get into a video of me cooking, but within an hour I was seasoned, cooked. It cleaned up perfectly. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And it's already approved by him. He's eating it.
Oh, yeah.
She's eating it too. Say hi. Hi. There you go. Fried hot dogs in bacon grease. Whew. Our adopted child, we found her on the side of the road one day, and she never left. She stayed. Seasoning my new Blackstone I got for Christmas, 28 inches. That's what she said. Not her. From my mother-in-law and father-in-law. I'm doing 4 coats of Dollar General shortening until it burns off. Then I just keep doing coats to season it. And yes, I know it's not Blackstone shortening. Get over it. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Rock and roll. What up, all my fellow hog knobbers and boob tuberettes? Here's my second cook on my Blackstone. Peas, thighs, breast, teriyaki. I'm going to name her Flat Black. Oh, you're like a Chinese chicken! Chinese chicken! Cracker chicken. And if you're watching, go to hell, Josh.